hoping y'all can see me well, hopefully. But I did not drop the video from yesterday's workout yet. Y'all are going to see that first in this video. One, I only recorded the squats because it was a kind of shortish video, and because I was running out of battery on my phone. But then part 2 of this video will be me doing Squatober today. It's Thursday. But yeah, I had something to talk about, but I can't think of it right now, so we'll just wait till. My knee. Open up here. See how we're gonna work on these squats today. I got a lot of reps today. I got to get together. Alright, this is the first set of 8, y'all. We'll see how this goes. It's gonna move, but let's see how it's gonna move. One more. Second set of 8 here. Easy. Two more. Got 6 here. It ain't phone fail. Don't let it change. Two more. One more. Two. 3. 4. 2 more. Alright. 4. 4. PS5. Well, what was that? 320? Focus. One rep at a time. Two more. One. That was a trash rep. One more. Jeez. One more. Alright, so what I had talked about was the fact that I have not eaten for real today. Like, when y'all eat chicken, not pieces of chicken, but like chicken breast and chicken breast tenderloin, you can eat a bunch of it and you'll feel full, but it's very low calorie. So like, I ate between 12 and 16 ounces of chicken today, right? That's not even 400 calories. And that's all I ate because I had brought a pack of frozen broccoli cuts with me, and I keep forgetting they don't be no actual broccoli in there. It be just stems that ain't nobody want to eat. Especially the fact that I don't season the broccoli. I literally just be taking it out the pack. I do season my chicken. Don't do that. But the broccoli, I don't usually season the broccoli. So, not finna force myself to eat that. I had made a carb to go with it, and so I've literally just had coffee, which I just got coffee out of the gas station, put some cream and sugar in it. So I just had coffee today and chicken. Okay, so sis is running low, and we got heavy squats, so I'm gonna have to go find some food. I don't know what it is. I don't too much care what it is right now. It's not gonna put me off track. I'm not going to get food, y'all. I'm literally like finna go to the store and see if I can grab like a quick snack or something. It's not gonna put me out of my caloric intake specifically. Hopefully not my fat and carbs either. But the fact that I haven't had any, it's kind of hard to put me off track. But yeah, gotta go see what I can find. If the gym were closer, I'd just go to, what's that store? I just go to GNC and get me the protein chips and like that legendary protein pastry bar thing. But that's still like 40 minutes away. So therefore, I gotta find something now. I might not be able to tell y'all what I find. Well, I got these goldfish. That's gonna help me get to the gym. 11 grams of fat, 47 grams of carbs, because after the gym I don't eat, so I'll be fine. And then I got this protein, 30 grams of protein. We'll see how this goes, okay? And I have to hurry up and get there because I gotta pee, because I done drank, these are 44 ounces, and this is my third one today. So I need to pee. I should have peed before I left work, which is also why I'm 40 minutes from the gym. Usually I'd just be like 20, 25 maybe. But yeah. No, let me get there. Whew. Yeah. Five more. Started from the bottom now here. Whole team here. That's right. This doesn't look that bad. Already did Bulgarian split squats, pull-ups. My knees do not feel good. God dog. That wasn't bad. Warm up. Hope that was good. not deep enough. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No depth. What am I missing? Yes, sir. Alright. Let's get this jump. That's it. When I said back squats, I'm going front squats. One more. Like, Elgin, don't say nothing about me not standing all the way up. Because I shouldn't have did them like this. We'll be here now. You hear me? Two more, let's go. This is a trash superset. Four more. Two more. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sean folks who really big dog. I don't like lame people. The boy back that lame. I'm talking about after he finished, I'm gonna show him. I'm gonna hear him go rep his max. That's not stupid. Only dudes be that lame. Dang, now the time. Shoot. Got the fourth thing. Five more. Come on. Two more. One more. Hot dog, I'm pumped up. Let's get it. My shoulders so dang, missing my biceps so dang pumped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, last 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1. Let's go. One more.